It's all about the space, no. What do you reckon, Jack, any good? Nah, we'll scrap that. Let's just go with, so this property is an absolute Edwardian delight and offers spacious rooms, high ceilings, bright windows and a beautiful decor. So come and have a look at this. As you enter the property and step into the entrance hall, the size of this house is apparent. The high ceilings and the beautiful bay windows offer a light and airy ambience. This room just feels like the perfect place to relax and unwind. This beautiful dining room offers an open fireplace and windows to the back of the property. It is an ideal space for entertaining and dinner parties with your friends and family. Every room in this property just offers its own little bit of personality. It is created and designed beautifully. This is the kitchen diner and it offers the most amazing shabby chic feel and design. It's the size of the landings that really amaze me in this property. They're just so spacious. The bedrooms in this property are excellent. They are unique again in their interior design. They are spacious, bright and airy, and you got 3 of them. The property is located just off of Canterbury Street and offers excellent access to the Medway Hospital, Gillingham Town Centre and the train station. You also have the Chatham Grammar School, the Robert Napier School and Brompton Academy, all within good access, as well as Byron Primary School for the younger children. A short distance up the road is Gillingham Park, offering an ideal space for walking and enjoying the outside. All residents of this property will be able to get a parking permit to allow good parking access. The garden is again a great size and is perfect for enjoying those summer evenings with a barbecue and a glass of bubbly. You even have rear access to an alley that only can be accessed via the residents. This property really does offer space, love and the most beautiful interior decor. So if you are looking for a new lifestyle, then give me a call today and I can arrange your viewing. You really don't want to miss this one.